The BBC has started giving its defence in the libel case brought by Gerry Adams at the High Court in Dublin. He's suing for damages over what he says was a defamatory broadcast which alleged he sanctioned the murder of an informer, Dennis Donaldson. Today, a lawyer for the BBC told the jury the allegation against Gerry Adams had been thoroughly investigated before the programme was aired. Here's our crime and justice correspondent Julian O'Neill.
Having been the first witness in this case, it's now Gerry Adams' turn to listen to the evidence of others. He's suing the BBC for defamation over a 2016 Spotlight programme, which he says was wrong to allege he gave the final say in the murder of Dennis Donaldson. This is the start of week 3 and the point at which the BBC opened its defence. Barrister Owen McCulloch said BBC reporter Jennifer O'Leary had multiple sources for her programme and it wasn't simply based on the sole word of Martin, an anonymous ex-informer in the IRA who made the allegation against Mr Adams. In his opening remarks, Mr McCulloch also said that it would have been irresponsible for the BBC to ignore the allegations made about Mr Adams by the source Martin. He said that reporter Jennifer O'Leary did not take what he said at face value. The allegations, he continued, were thoroughly investigated. Ms O'Leary was called to give evidence as the first BBC witness and told the court she had no agenda against Mr Adams. She said her first inkling of a potential story was when contacts claimed to her the IRA had murdered Dennis Donaldson and let dissidents claim responsibility. Miss O'Leary said she could not identify Martin because as an informer he would likely be killed. She said she had corroborated what he claimed with 5 other people, 2 Republican sources and 3 Northern Ireland security contacts. Throughout her evidence, she read from notes she had taken during their meetings. The BBC's barrister said the story made clear it was an allegation only and that Mr Adams's denial was carried. It was, he added, a matter of public interest which had been reported in a fair and reasonable manner, and that Mr Adams should not be entitled to damages because it had not impacted upon his reputation. The case is likely to continue into next week. Julian O'Neill, BBC Newsline, Dublin.